Why automate file organization?
Organizing files across multiple cloud services can quickly become overwhelming. Automation tools take the hassle out of sorting, renaming, and syncing files on platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox. With the right workflows, you ensure important documents are always in the right place, reduce clutter, and save valuable time for more meaningful work.
Choosing your cloud services.
Google Drive, Dropbox, and similar platforms each offer unique features for file storage and sharing. Consider which services best match your needs. Many choose to use more than one, such as Google Drive for collaboration and Dropbox for backup. Knowing the strengths of each will help you design an effective cloud organization workflow.
Popular automation tools.
Several automation tools can help streamline your cloud workflows. Zapier and IFTTT are user-friendly services that connect Dropbox, Google Drive, and many other apps. You can set up automated actions like saving email attachments to specific folders or syncing documents between drives with just a few clicks. No coding required.
Sample workflow, sync and sort.
When a new file is added to a Google Drive folder, a tool like Zapier or IFTTT copies it to a matching folder in Dropbox, renaming it according to your rules. You can also trigger sorting based on file type or keywords, so images, documents, and spreadsheets go to the right folders instantly.
Best practices for cloud file management.
Organize cloud folders clearly before automating. Set up a logical folder structure. Use consistent naming conventions and regularly review your workflows. Ensure automation does not cause unwanted duplicates or overwrite important files. With careful setup, automation can keep your digital workspace tidy and stress-free.